What's up, YouTube? Will's iPhone review here, and just okay, yeah, whatever. Okay, the lamp's whatever. I'll turn it when it hit perfect. Sorry, guys, I just need to reposition my. I was today. Yes, the Apple Store. Getting my iPhone fixed. So, got a little thing right there. Boom. 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 SpeckCandy Shell. Let's do an unboxing. Sorry for this loud noise that's about to happen. It's my computer. I'm recording from an HP, so okay. Sounded kind of smooth. Alright, so, and here's the special packaging. So, we're going to take off these little penny things. I already took off this little tape that was here because I was excited. I didn't forget about you guys. So, take out the packaging. Oh. Came with a screen protector. Sick. Spectacular. Side. Wow, nice, guys. That's a nice case. Oh, it came with a microfiber. Oh, I need one of those. I don't have a microfiber. That's sick. Thank you, Speck. Holy crap. They did not have to give me a... Well, it's not a big microfiber, but I don't have one, so... They even came with an instructor. I heard that these are pretty hard to get off. Yeah, there's some specific way you really want to get it so that you don't tear off these buttons. It says rubberized, soft center, and that the outside is all hard and plasticky. Yeah, that's... Wow, that's cool that it came with a bunch of stuff. I already have one. I have a... It's like an... It's not an invisible shield, but it's on the mirror. No, it's a film set from something that I just went to Apple and bought. So, now I'm pretty sure that I'm not going to be able to figure out how to fold these. So, probably stop, but I just read all of it. But anyway, I won't need this. Now, get this to the side. iPhone. Alright, so we have the silencer switch and the covered buttons. That's what I like. Drop protection on the buttons. I'm gonna clean out the inside just to make sure that I don't get any rub all over it or something. Oh, there's still some orange thing in there. It's like some part of this microfiber. But anyway, it looks clean. I don't really care. It's not going to damage iPhone. Wow, this is getting really scratched up. I really don't care. Alright, so I think he said I was watching Carlos, It's Me Morpheus. Cool guy. Check out his channel. It's Me Morpheus. It's really good. Okay, so... wow. Well, now, let's do a little... Oh, sorry. Let's see if I can get it off. I heard that these are like particularly tough. Okay, so I heard that you're supposed to get this side off. Oh, hold on, guys. This is like weird. Alright, pull it around the side. Oh, and there we go. Wow, that is a tough case. Weird. But anyway. Alright, so we put iPhone back in case, you know. Watch out, guys. There might be a giveaway, not of this. This is not a case. Might be a giveaway of my old in-case slider. It's a matte finish, some scratches, things like that. Very nice, very nice. And so, here. This is Will's iPhone review, and I'm happy. See you guys in the next video. That sounded kind of retarded, but see you guys in the next video. My next videos, I think in the last video I said that I was going to come out with a jailbreaking formula for 3.1, 3.1.1, or 3.1.1, yeah, 3.1.1. It was 3.1, and then now there's a jailbreak for the. I think you just use the 3.1 jailbreak. I'm not sure, but actually, I think I'm gonna do a review. I know I've been promising a jailbreak, but I don't know. I don't know if I'll stick to jailbreaking. I mean, I'm gonna have to jailbreak this so I can use it on my T-Mobile sim. Yeah, guys. So, yeah, I'm gonna. I don't know, you know. I'll think of something, and I'll be back. Cause I kind of. And if any of you guys know any major distributors, because I want to be able to get sent in cases and stuff and reviews and products so I can review them and stuff like that. It's so, and remember, leave comments on anything that you want to do. iPhone, I will research as hard as I can. So I'm done with my homework. I will research as hard as I can, and I will find stuff for you guys. So, see you guys later. Rate, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. See you guys later.